Before watching this video, I want to put an intention out that this video will help every one of us in some shape or form. So let's put out this intention together. We all have come across videos in which people say they wrote something like, I will be married by March 2024 or will get promotion by June 2024, just to later claim that they exactly achieved what they wrote. And you might wonder, how is it possible that a simple act like writing down can make your dreams come true? If you know, it is a popular manifestation technique called scripting. And in today's video, I am going to explain what is scripting, how it really works. If you are a beginner, how can you start your scripting journey? And also, I am going to share a success story to motivate you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Manifesting with Shivamod. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get straight into the video. First of all, what is scripting? Think of it like writing about your dream life, just from the perspective of as if you have already experienced them. Now, you can also think of it like the Dear Diary thing that we used to do when we were young, the journal entries that we used to do. Think of it doing a journal entry from the future perspective. Let me explain it with an example. So, if you are currently manifesting business growth, or if you want to grow your business, instead of writing, I want more clients, I want more growth, you will start writing, isn't it amazing that I have so many clients? All my clients are so happy with my service. And if you know the business that you are going to grow, then you can also mention like, today my client was having this problem and I'm so happy that I was able to give the solution. So when you are scripting like this, you are becoming the new version of self. You are acquiring or occupying the state of the new version of self. You are looking to the world from this new version that you are currently manifesting. Let's get into the second question, which is, how does scripting really works? So now think of it like this. When you are writing something down, you are giving your mind a crystal clear image of the experiences that you want to have. You are giving your mind instructions, clear instructions of what your experiences should be. In my opinion, you should write in past or present tense. And you might ask why? Because when you are writing something in past or present tense, you are expanding your imagination, you are giving your imagination wings, you are becoming that new version of self, as I have already mentioned. And that is the motto, that is the work we need to do. We need to imagine ourselves as the new version of ourselves. Also, our egoic minds always want to do something. So when you are scripting, your egoic mind thinks that you are putting in some effort in your manifestation, you are doing something. So it really helps us to feel good that we are putting in effort towards our manifestation. How can you start your scripting journey? Let me tell you, it is pretty simple to start with. All you need is a pen, paper and some quiet time. What I suggest is you can do some breath work before you are scripting, or you can also just have some instrumental music in the background as you are scripting or before scripting, so that you are just relaxing yourself. I do not want that you should be in that anxious mindset when you are getting into scripting, because when you are scripting, you are enjoying yourself, you are becoming the new version of self. So it should be relaxing, it should be relieving. When you are in your anxious mindset, you are always fighting whatever you are writing. So make sure that you are relaxing yourself before you are scripting. The second instruction which I want to give is, once you have relaxed yourself, start scripting in present or past tense, as I've already mentioned. So instead of writing, I am finding a new job, you will write, I am in my new job. I'm so happy in my new job. Anything on those lines. Also, if you are currently manifesting a job, in the end of the video, I am going to share a prompt with you. So stay tuned for that. The third instruction is detailed or general. That is always your choice. You can be as detailed as you want to or as general as you want, because whatever is giving you less anxious thoughts, less thoughts of fearful and anxiety, and is helping you to become that new version of self, enjoy that new version of self, go to that. Because when we are writing something in details, sometimes it builds up more anxiety. You are getting questions like how it is possible, or how will I answer this question to the client, or something on those lines. So if you want to go general, go general. Fourth, and probably the most important one, feel what you are writing. Instead of just writing down for the sake of doing a technique, do it with emotions. When you are scripting, feel those emotions as the new version of self. At least for 30 minutes, become that new version of self who is having that reality, who is experiencing the reality in the way you want to. A quick success story which I mentioned. So my friend was manifesting a job, and then she started scripting about it just to test it. And to her surprise, just in a couple of months, she landed to her dream job. I know it's amazing. It sounds just surreal, amazing. So now scripting is one of her favorite techniques. She is scripting every single day and living her dream life. And so can you. Start scripting, start doing these techniques and live your dream life. The prompt which I mentioned earlier. So if you are currently manifesting a job, you can start by writing, isn't it so amazing that I am so happy in my new job? The colleagues which I have are just amazing. Today I was asked to do the task and all my colleagues helped me. They are amazing. My manager is amazing. He is helping me to understand everything. I'm so happy and lucky to have this new job. Now you know the basics of scripting. Try to put it into practice for at least 15-20 minutes every single day. Remember to be consistent with the practice. When you are being consistent with the practice, you are solidifying that state in your consciousness. And when you are solidifying that state in your consciousness, be sure that you will experience it in your physical reality. And that's it to scripting. Scripting is such a fun and an amazing way to experience your desires. Now before wrapping up, let's affirm together. Hands over your heart, smile on your face. I am the author of my reality. I am writing my dream reality every single day. Once again. I am the author of my reality, and I am writing my dream reality every single day. I hope this video has motivated you to practice scripting. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.